What's up guys, babsomotden what's out here. Today's video is a special one. We are not talking about product review or tutorial. Guys, we have crossed the 100,000 subscriber milestone and I can't thank you guys enough. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for making this possible. From the first person that subscribed to this channel to the 100,000 subscriber that hit that subscribe button, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now, I have a lot to say today, so let's start off with appreciation. Thank you for your likes, your subscribe, your what else? Everything. Guys, you guys are amazing. Please keep sharing our videos, tell people about this bracket reviews channel, and we will go places. We are aiming to get to 1 million subscribers, and I know it is possible only with you. So, I can't wait. YouTube sent me a message, and at the same time they sent me this. I know you guys must have known what is inside here. This is the 100,000 subscribers plaque from YouTube. It is beautiful. Actually, I've opened it before, but I'll be unboxing it with you guys so that you can see what is inside. And I want to use this opportunity to also say thank you to YouTube for sending me this. Let's unbox it. Alright guys, so here is it. It was sealed here. Now I'm going to open it. Wow. Yeah, the first one you are seeing here, a note from Rick. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping and you have any question, please contact us at youtubecreator@societyawards.com. Thank you, Rick, for that. And here we have recognized your team. So you can share your recognition by allowing your team to purchase a personalized creator award from YouTube. And at the back, nothing. Here also, from this small leaflet, nothing. Wow, another letter. Another note from the CEO of YouTube, Neil Moha. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100 or your 1000 subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you will definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe show up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their number increased because of you and the community you have built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them with even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Nemoa, YouTube CEO. Thank you so much for that. And here is the main guy. Okay. Wow, this looks beautiful, guys. Look at this. It says presented to Bracket Reviews for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much. And this looks metallic. It's cold to touch. And this back is made from a nice material. Nice one. So that it is, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for making this possible. I appreciate that. And the last thing here is just what's this? Maybe something just okay, a dry desiccant. Alright. I think that is something I'm going to throw away. So that's pretty much it. Now to the giveaway. To show my appreciation for your support so far, I'll be giving out 3 items here. Actually, Oraimo sent me 2 items for review, though I have them before they send it to me, so it won't make sense if I'm keeping these things at home. So I just have to give it out to 2 of you guys out there, and I'll be adding one more to it just to celebrate it. Here I have the Oraimo Smart Office Slim keyboard mouse combo. So if you like this or you're interested, I'll be telling you what to do in order to win this guy here. And the other one is the Oraimo Boom Pop 2S. The Oraimo Boom Pop 2S is one of the latest headphones from Oraimo, and this guy is just amazing. You need to get one for yourself if you haven't get that, and it will be going out to a lucky winner. The last but not the least is the Oraimo Earbud 4. This is also stemless design earbud, and it is just wonderful. This guy comes with LED display at the front, so you don't have to be guessing the numbers or how much battery you have left on this guy. I've reviewed it. I've done a lot of reviews on this guy, and the other stores will be giving out. So if you are interested, you know what to do. All you have to do is to comment under this video. That is one. Secondly, make sure you tell your family, your friends, your well-wishers, everybody around you to like your comment. And the third thing is to follow me on other social media platforms, at least 2. So if you follow me on this YouTube channel, that is, you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you have to go to TikTok and follow me on there. I'm also behind Bracket Reviews. And on Instagram, follow me on there also, Bracket Reviews. But if you don't use Instagram or you are not on Instagram, then you can go to Facebook. I'm also there. At least make sure you follow me on that too, because when you win, I'm going to verify that. And if you are not there or you are not following me there, then automatic disqualification. You know what I mean? And the last but not the least information I'm going to pass is that we have this outstanding giveaway. The last giveaway we did, someone did not claim his gift, so I think I have to just give it out to someone. And the person that we pick is Mr. Charles Atishele from Delta State. I think you said you are from Delta State. So if you are Mr. Charles, please reach out to me. You can reach out to my email, babsomotden@gmail.com, and I'll send this over to you. So if you're interested, don't forget the giveaway instructions. Just drop your comment there. Make sure you tell people to like it, and also share with your family and friends. If you have won something on this channel before, I'm so sorry, you cannot win something else. Please tell someone like a friend or somebody you know to join, okay, to participate. That would be the best way so that this thing can go around. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.